Hey guys, I love this AC exhaust vent kit. Just a couple things I wanted to point out to you so you're aware and that you can consider. If you can see over here along my window, there is a bit of a gap, so I would recommend probably getting like a strip of like weather seal stuff. I mean, if it bothers you, that's probably what I'm gonna do. And then also, I wanted to point out when I take this part off, you can see there's only about a half inch so here, and the actual lip inside of my window is a couple inches. So if I were to try to push that back all the way tight, it will run into or be obstructed when I try to have the actual vent on here. So I can't slide it all the way back. So it leaves a little bit of play there. I think what I'm going to do there is kind of the same thing. Just buy a piece of like thick um, foam type of weather strip and put it on the edge of here. Then I think that will pretty much offset it. Again, not a major thing. It's not like it doesn't hurt anything at all, but just wanted to point that out to you. And then I also wanted to point out that on the exhaust duct itself, there's two different sizes. So there's a 5 inch and a 5.9 inch duct. So just make sure you check whatever you're trying to exhaust. Make sure you have the right size when you make the purchase.